Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
This is the only reliable way to use a Windows laptop as a second monitor for your Mac. You need a third-party app that streams the Mac desktop to Windows securely and efficiently. Recommended apps are Duet Display or Luna Display. Both support extended displays over USB or Wi-Fi. Use Mac OS X, 15 or later, and Windows 10 or later for full compatibility. A stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi network works, but USB-C or Ethernet gives lower latency and higher reliability. You will need admin rights on both machines and permission to install drivers if requested. Plan for common resolutions. First, download and install the Windows Host app on the PC and the Mac client on the Mac. Open the Windows app and allow any firewall or driver permissions that the installer requests. On the Mac, open the client and sign in with the same account used on Windows, if prompted. Connect the two machines using USB-C for lowest latency, or join both to the same 5 GHz Wi-Fi network for convenience. In Mac OS, open System Settings and choose Displays, then select Extend and pick 1920x1080 at 60 Hz. Finally, arrange the virtual monitor to match physical placement and confirm mouse travel and display scaling. If you notice lag, switch from Wi-Fi to USB-C or Ethernet to reduce latency below 30 ms. For Wi-Fi, use a 5 GHz network and keep both devices within one room to reduce interference. Disable VPNs and close cloud sync or upload apps to prevent bandwidth contention and stuttering. If the Windows host shows a black screen, restart the host service and check firewall rules for the app. Adjust Mac OS display resolution and enable integer scaling when available to fix blurry text. Finally, update both apps and GPU drivers for best stability and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.